Here I am PSK. Today we are going to study about parts of speech, that is nouns. So let's look at here about nouns in details. We will study about the nouns in this video. So here you're looking parts of speech, noun, and know about this, how we can use these nouns in our sentences while speaking or writing in text. Introduction to this grammar, the lessons we are going to know from this chapter: nouns, definition from it, and types of nouns, as singular and plural nouns. It means number nouns. And nouns here that you are looking, nouns are words, that is here nouns are words that name people, places or things. Let's look at here examples how we can use nouns in sentences. Sarah, a teacher from London, visited the park with her students and brought a book about the Statue of Liberty. So in this many examples are given. For example, book, liberty, statue, students, so London. Like this many here nouns are given. How can we recognize these nouns in the sentences? That we are going to know these nouns. These nouns will help you to understand and recognize in the sentences. Here you are looking this more in the sentence. There are one proper noun, Sarah, and common noun that referring person, teacher, and proper noun, London, Statue of Liberty, and three common nouns that are looking: park, students, and book. So these are nouns. So let's go ahead and understand about nouns. Types of nouns: people. How we can use and understand about people in sentences that you are looking here. People are nouns that refer to individuals. People nouns can be singular, one, or plural, more than one also could be. For example, like this: girl, boy, teacher, doctor. In this way, any nouns of people can be given in the sentences. Now let's go to another: place. How we can recognize about the place? Here that you're looking, places are nouns that name locations about the place it defines. Places can be singular or plural too. For example, that you're looking: park, school, beach, city. These are places. How we can recognize about place? Hopefully that you understood. Now let's go to next point. Here we are going to know about the things, how we can use the things and how can we recognize them in the sentences. So here you are looking, things are nouns that represent objects or items, just like people and places. Things can be singular or plural. So things could be in singular or plural, that is objects, items, that could be given in any form. Here that you are looking examples from this: ball, book, chair, toy. So like this nouns, things we can recognize in the sentences. Now let's know about all kind of nouns. One by one we will study here. Here you are looking 9 kind of nouns. Number 1, proper noun. Number 2, common noun. Number 3, collective noun. Number 4, abstract noun. Number 5, material or concrete. Okay, material mean human made, concrete is one kind of natural it is materials, non-living materials. And next, countable noun, uncountable noun, and compound noun, and last one, that is possessive noun. So like these examples you will find from these nouns. Okay, now go ahead and let's know one by one of them. First example that you're looking here, proper noun. This is first kind of noun, proper noun. So how this word can define? Here that you're looking definition, it defines names of specific people, places, organizations, etc. In this way, this proper noun can define about the things. Here you're looking the examples from this proper noun, John, London, Google, Monday. तो इस तरीके से कोई भी एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं. कोई भी प्लेस का नेम हो सकता है, कोई भी स्पेसिफिक इंडिविजुअल पर्सन का नेम हो सकता है, किसी भी स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का नेम भी हो सकता है. Hopefully that you understood about the proper noun. Let's go ahead and know next one about common noun. Here you are looking common noun, which we are going to know about this. Generally, common nouns terms that can refer to any member of a category. It is general name of any. So here dog, city, company, teacher. So these are common name of any member or any organization, place, and any animal. So like this we can define about common noun and we can recognize about common noun. Now let's go to another one kind of collective noun. Here you are looking collective noun, which we are going to know. This is a definition from this collective. It defines groups of people, animals, or things. When we are finding or searching about collection from same category, in that way we can recognize this collective noun. It defines about groups of people, animals, or things. For example, family, herd, herd of sheep, team, team of players, flock. So like this we can recognize about collective noun. Now let's know another one kind of noun that you're looking here, abstract noun. Abstract noun, it defines about emotions, concepts, emotions, or ideas that you are looking here. Definition from this and examples. This can be used to recognize about emotions, about ideas and concepts. Happiness, freedom, love, anger. So these kind of examples can be included in the sentences. Hopefully that you understood about abstract noun. Abstract nouns cannot be touched, only it can be felt only. Okay, now we are going to know about next kind of noun, material noun or concrete noun. Material nouns are those nouns which are made by human being, and concrete are natural material things. So it defines about objects, tangible objects that can be perceived through the senses. Using our hands we make many more things which are non-living things. Here you are looking examples from this material noun: book, chair, apple, car. So these are human made things. Okay, and apple is one kind of natural, that is concrete noun. Okay, so that is the difference, little bit difference between material, concrete noun. So now let's go to another kind of noun. So that is here countable noun. let's know about this countable noun. Countable nouns can be counted and have a plural form as well. In this, so here book, books, we can say it is countable. Chair, that is also countable. Apple, apples. Car, cars. In this way we can count them. So whatever things or people are there which can be counted, all those are countable nouns. Now let's go to another one kind of noun that you're looking here, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun are used to understand and recognize about uncountable things. These cannot be counted. Remember this point. Uncountable nouns, these cannot be counted and they don't have a plural form as well. Remember this, there is no any plural form for them. Water, so we can't write this waters. Okay. Air, this is only singular plural in both. Music, music only. Happiness, happiness only. Okay, so these are uncountable nouns that cannot be counted, but in another ways we can count as well. For example, a liter of milk. So milk, only if we are using milk, milk cannot be counted, but when we are taking liter, then we can use a liter of milk, a glass of water. So like this we can use in countable form using other words. So hopefully that you understood about uncountable nouns. Now let's go to next kind of noun that you are going to study, that is compound noun. I think it is new for you, compound noun. So let's know about this compound noun. What is compound noun? Compound nouns, they compound or they are made of two or more words that function as a single unit. If we are connecting two or three words together to form a single word, so that single word, that is called compound noun, because that is formed using two words. Here that examples you are looking here, look at these examples: book, shelf. So here both words are combining, book and shelf. By combining two words, it is forming one word. So this one word is called compound noun. Tooth, brush. So here also two words are combined together. Birthday, birthday. Mailbox, mailbox. So these are compound noun. Hopefully that you understood about compound noun, how we can recognize and how can we use in the sentences while speaking or writing in the text. Now let's go to next one kind of noun that we are going to study, possessive noun. Possessive noun, so how we can use and how can we recognize in the sentences? Possessive nouns show ownership और possession. जब हम ओनरशिप और पोजीशन की बात करते हैं, जब हमारी है या फिर और किसी की है, तो उस कंडीशन में हम पोजेसिव नाउन का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दैट यू लुकिंग एग्जांपल्स, जोहन्स कार, तो इसमें एपिस्ट्रॉपी का यूज हुआ है, दैट यू लुकिंग एपिस्ट्रॉपी, और यहाँ पर ऑफ का भी यूज हो सकता है. ओके, ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन का भी यूज हो सकता है जब हम पोजीशन की बात करते हैं. आ बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश, आ बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश, तो इस कंडीशन में भी हम इसका यूज पोजेसिव नाउन का यूज कर सकते हैं. अ बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश, तो ये पूरा एक क्या होगा, पोजेसिव नाउन होगा. सो दैट आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी कैन यूज these possessive nouns in the sentences and how can we recognize them. That's the cat's toy, my book, her house. So her house is a possessive noun, my book is totally, that is possessive noun. hopefully that you understood about all kind of nouns. Now let's know about some of other singular, plural, it means noun, number. Here we will identify first nouns in a sentence, how we can recognize and understand in the sentences that you're looking here. Let's know about identifying nouns in the sentences. Nouns can be identified by asking who or what in a sentence, then we can recognize nouns. Who mean, when we're talking about who, as using this who question word, then it means we are asking about person, okay, about living things. And what, that is always used when we are asking about the things, non-living things. That's why using these question words we can recognize nouns in the sentences. Look at here examples. The cat is sleeping. So here, what is noun here? It means who is sleeping? The cat. A cat is here noun in this sentence. Now let's go to another point, that we are going to know about singular and plural nouns. Look at here and understand about this. Singular nouns refer to one person, place or thing. जब हम सिंगुलर के बारे में बात करते हैं, मतलब एक वचन होगा, तो उस कंडीशन में हम एक थिंग्स का यूज करेंगे, डॉग, कैट, हैट, ओके. And in plural, plural nouns refer to more than one person, place or things. Here that we are looking in examples, dogs, cars, hats. So about this we will make a video in details to study in details, so that you can understand about singular and plural nouns. Some rules are there to change singular to plural, okay. So hopefully that you understood from this video about all kinds of nouns and a little bit about singular and plural nouns. Let's know about proper nouns. How can we recognize proper nouns? Proper nouns are specific names of people, places or things. So this is, they always start with a capital letter. Remember this thing, proper nouns always start from capital letter whenever we are starting a sentence. In that way, or any proper noun is, if they are given in the sentences between some other words, in that way also these capital letters are used. Here looking example, Sarah, London, Statue of Liberty, the Renaissance, Mount Kilimanjaro. So these are all proper nouns that we need to recognize. Now let's know about common, how we can use common nouns or proper nouns in the sentences. Common nouns are generally names for people, places or things. They do not start with a capital letter unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Common nouns always, they are capitalized at the beginning of the sentence, not in the sentence. Here you are looking examples from the city, teacher, dog. These are common nouns. If you have anywhere questions, you can ask us. You can ask your queries regarding any grammar topics. Don't feel shy, don't hesitate, we are always ready. Or you can register at our website that you're looking here. Thank you for watching our video. So you can contact us or you can join our website. Here free courses about the English language you can study, and you can practice your English language with quizzes, practice test here without paying. So keep learning, keep smiling with PSK.